Hey there, I'm so excited to share with you Lennar's Sorrento model. It's a very versatile model. It is a very popular with families and multi-generational options. Gives you all kinds of different options for living space. Let's take a look. We're going to take a look here at the Sorrento, which the first thing many people notice is that it has a split 3-car design. Single car on one side and the double on the other. This elevation has a little porch area here right in the front. Welcome to the Sorrento. There is a lot of living space within this floor plan. It's just over 3,500 square feet. As you can see, you have a living area right here in the front with the staircase heading up. There's been some nice design features added to this model, like the shiplap wall. That would be something that you can do after you purchase the home. And we have a dedicated dining room right over here to the other side. So let's take a quick look at the single-sided garage, which is located right off the front door entry. And we actually get asked about this a lot. What is that? That goes around your pool, and it is a little fence that is to make sure that our pets and animals and kids stay safe and don't fall into the pool. Okay, we're going to carry through into the main living area of the Sorrento. Again, staying with the current theme of what people are looking for, nice, big open living spaces. We have a nook for eat-in dining, huge island, which is consistent with pretty much every floor plan, and a two-story great room. And I just want to show you, we've got the double door pantry area and a little mini butler's pantry here in between the kitchen and the dining. So we do have a closet here, one closet, and then we have a second closet that we are able to capture, again, because of this being a 2-story home. This one they've got set up as a little doggy space, and it's located right next to your powder bath, which again is right here off of your main living space. Right off of the family room, great room area is access to the 2-car garage. And then tucked back in this wing, we've got a dedicated laundry room with an extra linen closet right here, as well as a full bedroom that is often used as an office, but this is one of the full bedrooms. And a bathroom here, a full bathroom that has access out to the pool in the Lanai, which is a great feature. There's not a ton of floor plans that have this. So people on this side of the house can exit right out to the Lanai. We've got the large triple slider, giving access to a very nice undercover space. Pretty good size. Some people choose to put dining. Some people choose to put TV viewing area. But again, this is a big footprint. There's a lot of space on this Lanai for extra seating, grilling spots, TV viewing areas. You have a lot of options with this floor plan. All right, we're going to journey upstairs and check out the second floor of the Sorrento. So you can see it is open to the downstairs from up here. You have a nice loft and some great space here. Lots of windows with light. We're going to start up here in the master bedroom. Great size master bedroom. huge windows. All right, we're looking at the Sorrento master bathroom. Large walk-in shower, a big linen closet. Separate sinks, 2 of them with area, and a separate water closet. There are 2 walk-in closets in this bedroom. There's one. And 2. This one is quite large. Coming in, we're going to turn right here, and we have a bedroom with an ensuite. Full bathroom as part of this bedroom. Pretty standard Lennar bedroom. They are often very similar in size, with the same closet size in most of the spare bedrooms. There is a full bathroom off of the loft, and for this side of the bedrooms upstairs with two sinks and a shub tower combo. And then you can step right through to the next bedroom. This bedroom up here does have a little walk-in closet. And we have one last bedroom right here next to it. So we have these 2 little bedrooms and a bathroom on this side, bedroom with an ensuite on the other side of the second story, and then your master bathroom and bedroom all upstairs. And we do get one extra linen closet right here, which is amazing for storage. I hope you loved the Sorrento. If you're curious about Estero's hottest new community, Verdana Village, you should check out our Verdana Village tour here. You can reach out to us using the Calendly link and schedule time directly below, or you can find us on all social media.